In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tracking information on PayPal, and it'll only take about 5 minutes. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up your web browser and navigate to the PayPal website. Once you're there, locate the login button that's usually found at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be directed to a login page where you'll enter your email address and password. This is your usual sign-in procedure, so you should be familiar with this step. Once you've input your credentials, click the login button again, and you'll be taken to your PayPal dashboard. Now keep an eye out for the quick access menu. This is where you can seamlessly navigate through PayPal's features. In this case, look for the invoicing section, which is usually under the quick access options. Click on invoicing, and you will be presented with a new page that lists your current invoices. Next, it's time to select the specific invoice to which you need to add tracking information. Simply browse through your invoices and click on the one you're looking to update. Once you've selected the invoice, you'll notice an edit, or sometimes a pencil icon, typically near the header or a designated editing area. Go ahead and click on that. After entering the edit mode, direct your attention to the reference number section. Once you find it, click on it to activate the field for editing. Now enter your tracking number carefully. Double check it to ensure its accuracy, because any typing error might lead to delivery conflicts or misunderstandings. Providing the correct tracking information ensures that the buyer can verify the shipment status, which can be crucial for both transparency and customer satisfaction. Lastly, before you wrap up, remember to save your changes. You should see a save and send option, usually at the bottom of the page or near the top right. Click on this and it will not only save your tracking information but also dispatch the updated invoice to your recipient. This is a handy feature that keeps everything streamlined and efficient, reducing the number of steps both you and your client need to manage. And there you have it, your tracking information is now successfully added to your PayPal invoice. This process helps you maintain accurate records and provides peace of mind for both you as the seller and your customers, knowing that delivery details are easily accessible and verifiable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.